In today's video, I'm going to solve a common problem with Volvos, and that is the hood latch, the safety latch, sometimes breaks. So you can unhook the hood on the inside. A common problem is the hood latch breaks or bends, and then you can't get it open because of the safety latch. It comes up this much, but you can't get it the rest of the way. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. First, we're going to want to take a screwdriver to get the hood the rest of the way up. Let me see if I can turn the light on so you can see. You can see there's a latch there. We want to get the screwdriver in. See, there's a U. There's two poles coming down, two posts. Gonna get the screwdriver in there. You can see this latch better with the hood open. So you can see there's a U-shaped piece of metal here, and it catches on this safety latch here. So what I was trying to do, and you can't really see it, is I'd lift the hood that little bare minimum, take a long screwdriver, and I would push on this, just like that. Push on that, and the hood comes open. That's how you do it. You've got to do the inside latch first, and then you just push on that to open it. Now mine is missing the latch here, broke off. So this is part of the problem, but I have the additional problem of it's, if you can see here, it's not in this here where it's supposed to be. So I'm going to push that down and try and maneuver this into it. By the way, make sure you brace the hood up with something safe. Sometimes after a while these hydraulics go out and it won't hold the hood up. I'm using a broomstick handle. Probably not the best, but it's better than nothing. But definitely, even if it's working pretty good, a gust of wind or something could shut it on you or on your fingers. So definitely safety first, put something to keep it up. So again, this is a 2011 Volvo XC90. I open this part. It's a Volvo part. I'll link in the description. But it's the hood latch. This is going to be down. That way I can actually maneuver it. Just push like that. There, and it clips in. There. Now, it should. And now that it clipped in, you just pull on this, and you can see when I pull this way, it pulls the latch out. And that should fix it. So we're going to keep our fingers crossed, and we're going to shut the hood and we're going to give it a try. XC90, and we're going to give it a try and see if this works. Of course, I got to pull the lever down here, and I need to clean my carpets. The hood is partially opened. I should be able to reach in here underneath, feel the part, pull it toward me, and voila, it works. This is such a big deal for me. I've been doing the screwdriver trick for way too long. I am very happy with this, and the link will be in the description. If you like these type of how-to videos, please let me know down in the comments. Please share this and give it a like, and I would really love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. I'll go make it an awesome day. Thank you. You can see this better.